Chinese President Xi Jinping's fourth state visit to South Africa coincides with the 15th BRICS Summit. He highlighted the need to expand the BRICS alliance of emerging economies for a fair global order, stressing that China opposes hegemony and power competitions. Addressing the summit through Commerce Minister Wang Wentao, Xi emphasized unity over bloc confrontations. Xi emphasized BRICS' determination to overcome challenges in a world undergoing unprecedented changes. His absence from an event attended by South African President Cyril Ramaphosa, Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi raised questions. Xi and Ramaphosa discussed strengthening collaboration between China and South Africa. China and Russia, facing substantial U.S. sanctions, aim to fortify BRICS against Western-dominated global institutions. Interest in joining BRICS was expressed by Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Iran, Argentina, and Egypt, expanding the group beyond Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. This coalition represents over 40% of the global population and more than 25% of the economy. Differences within the bloc about expansion are evident, particularly with Brazil and India showing caution. At the BRICS Summit in South Africa, Vladimir Putin urged the group, consisting of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, to evolve into a trading bloc representing the global majority. Differences emerged over admitting new members and whether to oppose the West geopolitically. Brazil's President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva clarified that BRICS doesn't aim to rival Western institutions, emphasizing self-organization. Putin criticized sanctions' impact and highlighted Russia's reliability as a food supplier to Africa. Despite his remote participation, Putin is engaged, attending events virtually and scheduled to speak via video link. The summit also focuses on promoting local currencies in trade to reduce reliance on the U.S. dollar. Russian President Vladimir Putin, absent from the summit, emphasized that BRICS' economic de-dollarization is irreversible and gaining momentum. Russia's struggles due to Western sanctions following its Ukraine invasion highlight the urgency.